Hi, and welcome to the third part of a 5-part tutorial series on FlashTrack SendReports. In this video, we'll show you how to maneuver around the SendReports web app. If you don't already know, FlashTrack SendReports is a cloud-based subscription service used in conjunction to FlashTrack, which is Facility Results' flagship ARC Flash data collection tool. You can access the SendReports web app by launching your browser of choice and going to https://www.flashtracksr.com. Of course, most modern web browsers will let you skip the HTTPS and www parts. Here's what the SendReports web app looks like. In fact, when you go to flashtracksr.com via your browser, you should see a landing page that's similar to this. Here you can explore what FlashTrack is, watch tutorial videos, such as the one you're watching right now, and view the online version of the FlashTrack documentation. The online documentation is the same content that you would get when you install FlashTrack. For instance, this is great when you want to glance at things such as the keyboard shortcuts on your smartphone without interrupting your FlashTrack workflow on your Windows laptop or tablet during the data collection process. As another example, navigating to and browsing the commands documentation page allows you to quickly find out what a particular command does. The keyboard shortcuts for each command are also listed here as well. If you haven't done so already, then you'll need to sign in first before you can view your uploaded projects and their associated data. Here, you'll need to have your SendReports account credentials on hand. This should be the same account which you previously used to upload your project workbooks from within FlashTrack itself. Once you've signed in, you should be directed to a page that shows a listing of all the project workbooks that you've uploaded. Notice that the navigation menu at the top of the screen now has a drop-down menu for your account. A Reports button should also be visible. Clicking this button will bring you back to this workbooks page. Focusing on the listings, here you can search through your projects, filtering out everything except your search criteria. For instance, I want to only show a project that contains the word tower. I can also search through projects by entering the date when the project was uploaded. Additionally, I can also sort the contents of this listing by clicking the arrows that correspond to each of the columns. At the bottom of the listing, you may be able to see a set of navigation buttons. This depends on how many projects you have uploaded. as well as how many items you want visible at once. As a side note, this screen may look different depending on your subscription license as well as the form factor of your screen. For instance, the Convert button is only visible for users with an annual subscription license and only when they're running on a screen with a large form factor. Clicking on one of the projects will send you to a page that lists all of the data that is associated with that particular project. Thank you for taking the time to watch the third part of our FlashTrack SendReports tutorial series. You can always reach us via the methods shown here. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next one.